back to Ecolics, and in this video I will tell you how to make your first beat in Cubase 15. So obviously we'll start by creating a new project, an empty project, and when we are over here, you can look for this button over here, which is called Loops and Samples. So when you do press Loops and Samples, you have so many different albums with the samples, and some of these samples are loops. So what you have to do is you have to search for an album called Drum Machine Vol. 02. So when we press this album, we have many beats all in this album. There are different beats. I like this one. Well, I'd say all of them are good. So you know what, let's just take this beat over here. So when we have the beat that we kinda like, we double tap on it, and boom, you have this drum machine opened over here. All of these are the noises which are used in this beat. Yeah, but before we could do anything with this beat, we have to double tap on the display itself where you want the beat, and boom, we already have it in here. So like this, you can make it bigger, and let's listen to it. It's good, isn't it? You can double tap on this thing itself, and you have the whole beat just in here. Yes, and these are all the noises that are used in this beat, like the way they're placed, the way they're called. So if you wanna delete something, you just press on the sound and it just disappears. Or if you wanna add something, you look where the row is of the instrument that you wanna add. For example, if I wanna add claps, then I add it on this row. So I want to add a few claps over here. No, these are not claps. I'm gonna add a few claps over here. Alright, this is so much better. I added a few claps over here. So the claps are the pink color. Let's say so. After that, you don't have to save it or anything. You just come back to listen to how it turned out. I accidentally made it very small. I make it bigger, what? I made it only smaller. I tried to make it bigger. Yeah, oh my gosh. So yeah, let's listen to how it turned out. Yeah, I really love this beat, I have to say. Yeah, but that's also not everything. If you like the beat, if you just love it like I do right now, you just leave it like this. But if you feel like that's just not it, you go over here and you can see this button called pattern, and here you can choose another pattern if you want. There are 4 patterns in this beat. I know that there were some beats which had 6 patterns, some of them have 5, some of them even had 8, I think, but this one has 4. Yeah, if you wanna, for example, pattern number 4, since we have number 1, so that's gotta be a little bit different. We press pattern number 4 and double click, and that's the beat. Yeah, so let's listen to how different they are. Yeah, it made a completely different beat with the same sounds that we asked for in here. Yeah, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching, guys. These are the 2 beats that we made today together, and I have to say that the comments are very appreciated, and if you have any other advices about other ways you can add a beat, that'd be very interesting if you can write that in the comments. Yeah. Also, I would really love if you would press a like and obviously the subscribe button. And yeah, wish you all the best. Thanks for watching. Bye.